Hello, this is Jennifer Steckel from the Direwolf Project. It's great to see you again. In today's video, we are going to spend a day with our 7.5-week-old fluffy white American Dirus puppy named Yeti. This is the first time she has gone outside. It'll be fun to spend the day with her. Don't forget to stay till the end for your free gift. We'll see you there. In the early hours of a new day, as the sun paints the sky with a vibrant and colorful sunrise, the world begins to awaken. The clouds dance with shades of pink, orange, and yellow as they herald the sun's ascent over the Huckleberry Mountains. Nature stirs, with the trees swaying gently in the morning breeze and the birds stretching their wings to greet the dawn. Meanwhile, a red fox nestles into its den, a sentinel of the night's adventures. In the cozy confines of a tiny home at Direwolf Project headquarters, a fluffy 7.5-week-old American Dirus dog named Yeti enjoys a peaceful slumber by my side. As the sun's gentle rays creep into the room, Yeti's soft breathing gradually quickens, signaling the dawning of a new day. With a sleepy yawn and a blink of her eyes, she opens her gaze to the world, a blank canvas of opportunities. Her eyes sparkle with anticipation, her heart fills with joy. Next, it's time to make the bed. Yeti pushes her muzzle against the sheets and blankets, burrowing into them like a cute white bunny. She moves the blankets to and fro, digging with her big furry paws. She lays her head down on the fabric and looks up at me as if to ask, "Did I do a good job making the bed, Mom?" "Yes, dear, you did," I reply, then whisk her down to the floor. Yeti helps me pull the sheets up. She's such a helpful girl. After making the bed, it's time to play. Yeti loves her Ice Age toys. She has a mammoth that squeaks a high-pitched tone, as well as a wild boar that grunts a low, growling tone. She loves to pull at the tusks. Sometimes she shakes her head back and forth, as if she's pretending to be a fierce direwolf from the time long ago when giant mammals roamed these parts. All that playing means time to go potty. Yeti knows exactly where her indoor potty spot is. She rushes over to piddle and then get a quick drink. After a wash, it's time to eat breakfast. Yeti lays down at first, then stands to really focus. Sometimes I add canned food, cottage cheese, shredded cheese, or meat drippings to her kibble for added flavor. Today, though, she eats it dry. We have a big day ahead, and we don't want to waste too much time making a big meal for breakfast. The kibble crunches in her mouth as she cleans her plate. After breakfast, the hardest part of the day begins. Yeti is going to learn how to go downstairs. She has seen her mother come and go on the stairs, but she has never been brave enough to try them herself. Yeti lets us know she is scared and doesn't like this new task at all. She gives out a whimper in protest, but Jay and I are right there to comfort her. It's not easy putting your head and front feet in a compromising position as your bottom and back legs cling to the carpet above. Yeti is still afraid and turns back up the stairs to the safety of the top landing. We'll try stairs again another time. For now, Jay lifts Yeti up in his arms and walks her outside securely next to his chest. Yeti feels the coolness of the autumn ground for the first time as Jay sits down next to her. Her mother Albreta nudges her to be brave. At first, Yeti hunkers down, uncertain of this new place. With coaxing and reassurance, Jay embraces Yeti and they sit together on the ground for a moment before the real adventure begins. Yeti has her balance now and follows Jay down the dirt path. Yeti sniffs the unfamiliar scents of the forest, the birds that landed there looking for grubs, the mouse that scampered into the tall grasses to the right, the owl that lighted on the ground, missing the mouse as it raced to safety in a hole under a nearby log. All the news of the night before becomes clear to Yeti as she explores this new forest world. Yeti's mom, Albreta, wants to teach Yeti how to play outside. In this vast open space, Albreta shows Yeti how to pounce, run, skid, and bow to another as an invitation to romp together in the grasses and bushes. Yeti has a little trouble at first and trips over her feet that want to go faster than she does. At that moment, Yeti notices Albreta heading up the small hill toward the dog cabins. As Yeti follows after her mother, she sees Jay sitting on the knoll with his hands clasped on his knees. Yeti runs over to greet Jay, to tell him all about her adventures playing with her mom in the tall weeds. Jay scoops her up and they nuzzle one another for a moment. Then Yeti sniffs all around him, exploring some more. What a wonderful, vibrant world life is in the forest. After lots of play and exploration, it's time to head home. Yeti doesn't want to leave yet, but she also doesn't want to leave Jay's side. So she trots next to Jay as they walk back down the lane to the tiny home. Yeti will never forget her first time outside in the forest and all the adventures she had. But for now, she is sleepy and needs a nap. After taking a few minutes for some enjoyable tummy rubs, Yeti yawns and relaxes her body. Then she closes her eyes and turns on her side. Yeti, the tiny explorer, has learned so much about the big world that lies just beyond her doorstep. But now it is time for little puppies to say their prayers and sleep a while. The sun paints its final strokes in the canvas of the day as Yeti drifts into a peaceful slumber. Her heart is full with the memories of her first outdoor adventure. Yeti has discovered the joys of exploration and play in the Ponderosa Forest, and there will be many more days of wonder to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel a lot, and you don't want to miss any of our content. We put a new video out every Monday, and all throughout the week we have short videos that we cannot embed on our website, so you have to come to YouTube in order to see them. Those short videos are so cute, with lots of puppies and dogs playing and getting loved on by us. You don't want to miss them, so please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a tremendous lot. Oh, don't forget the free gift. There is a free gift waiting for you. All you have to do is go to direwolfproject.com and you can receive a free ebook that explains the 10 steps you can change in your dog's diet today for immediate health results. You will be amazed at how incredible these 10 changes are. So go on over to direwolfproject.com and claim your free gift. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.